初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
Hey, long time no see.
Hey, long time no see.
嘿，好久不见。
Hey, long time no see.
Hey, long time no see.
I can't believe it's you.
I can't believe it's you.
真不敢相信是你。
I can't believe it's you.
I can't believe it's you.
How have you been lately?
How have you been lately?
你最近怎么样？
How have you been lately?
How have you been lately?
You look great as always.
You look great as always.
你看起来还是那么棒。
You look great as always.
You look great as always.
It's been ages since college.
It's been ages since college.
大学毕业都好多年了。
It's been ages since college.
It's been ages since college.
Do you still live nearby?
Do you still live nearby?
你还住在附近吗？
Do you still live nearby?
Do you still live nearby?
I walk here almost every day.
I walk here almost every day.
我几乎每天都来这里散步。
I walk here almost every day.
I walk here almost every day.
What a small world, right?
What a small world, right?
世界真小，对吧？
What a small world, right?
What a small world, right?
Are you free for coffee now?
Are you free for coffee now?
你现在有空喝杯咖啡吗？
Are you free for coffee now?
Are you free for coffee now?
There's a nice cafe around here.
There's a nice cafe around here.
这附近有家不错的咖啡馆。
There's a nice cafe around here.
There's a nice cafe around here.
Let's catch up properly today.
Let's catch up properly today.
今天让我们好好叙叙旧。
Let's catch up properly today.
Let's catch up properly today.
I've missed talking to you.
I've missed talking to you.
我一直很想和你聊天。
I've missed talking to you.
I've missed talking to you.
Do you remember our old trips?
Do you remember our old trips?
你还记得我们以前的旅行吗？
Do you remember our old trips?
Do you remember our old trips?
Those were such fun times.
Those were such fun times.
那些时光真是有趣。
Those were such fun times.
Those were such fun times.
I still have our photos saved.
I still have our photos saved.
我还保存着我们的照片。
I still have our photos saved.
I still have our photos saved.
We should plan another trip soon.
We should plan another trip soon.
我们应该很快再计划一次旅行。
We should plan another trip soon.
We should plan another trip soon.
Are you working the same job?
Are you working the same job?
你还在做同样的工作吗？
Are you working the same job?
Are you working the same job?
I recently changed my company.
I recently changed my company.
我最近换了公司。
I recently changed my company.
I recently changed my company.
Work keeps me super busy lately.
Work keeps me super busy lately.
最近工作让我超级忙。
Work keeps me super busy lately.
Work keeps me super busy lately.
I barely have time to rest.
I barely have time to rest.
我几乎没有时间休息。
I barely have time to rest.
I barely have time to rest.
Life feels faster these days.
Life feels faster these days.
这些天感觉生活节奏更快了。
Life feels faster these days.
Life feels faster these days.
But I'm learning to slow down.
But I'm learning to slow down.
但我正在学着放慢节奏。
But I'm learning to slow down.
But I'm learning to slow down.
What about your family now?
What about your family now?
你现在家人怎么样？
What about your family now?
What about your family now?
My parents ask about you sometimes.
My parents ask about you sometimes.
我父母有时会问起你。
My parents ask about you sometimes.
My parents ask about you sometimes.
You should visit them next time.
You should visit them next time.
下次你应该去看看他们。
You should visit them next time.
You should visit them next time.
They'd be so happy to see you.
They'd be so happy to see you.
他们见到你会很高兴的。
They'd be so happy to see you.
They'd be so happy to see you.
Time really flies, doesn't it?
Time really flies, doesn't it?
时间过得真快，不是吗？
Time really flies, doesn't it?
Time really flies, doesn't it?
We've both grown so much.
We've both grown so much.
我们都成长了很多。
We've both grown so much.
We've both grown so much.
But you still smile the same.
But you still smile the same.
但你的笑容还是和以前一样。
But you still smile the same.
But you still smile the same.
I'm glad we met again today.
I'm glad we met again today.
我很高兴今天又见到你。
I'm glad we met again today.
I'm glad we met again today.
Let's not lose touch anymore.
Let's not lose touch anymore.
我们别再失去联系了。
Let's not lose touch anymore.
Let's not lose touch anymore.
I'll send you my number later.
I'll send you my number later.
我稍后把我的号码发给你。
I'll send you my number later.
I'll send you my number later.
Do you use the same phone?
Do you use the same phone?
你还在用同一个手机吗？
Do you use the same phone?
Do you use the same phone?
Let's take a picture together.
Let's take a picture together.
我们一起拍张照片吧。
Let's take a picture together.
Let's take a picture together.
This moment deserves a photo.
This moment deserves a photo.
这个时刻值得拍张照片。
This moment deserves a photo.
This moment deserves a photo.
I'll post it on my story.
I'll post it on my story.
我会把它发到我的动态里。
I'll post it on my story.
I'll post it on my story.
Everyone will be surprised.
Everyone will be surprised.
大家一定会很惊讶。
Everyone will be surprised.
Everyone will be surprised.
Promise we'll meet again soon.
Promise we'll meet again soon.
答应我们很快再见面。
Promise we'll meet again soon.
Promise we'll meet again soon.
Next time, dinner's on me.
Next time, dinner's on me.
下次我请客吃饭。
Next time, dinner's on me.
Next time, dinner's on me.
Take care, my old friend.
Take care, my old friend.
保重，我的老朋友。
Take care, my old friend.
Take care, my old friend.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。